Good evening to all. I am Dr. Parashuram D. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the concepts from educational evaluation. The concept which we are going to discuss is validity. The presentation covers all these concepts: introduction, basic concept of educational evaluation, meaning of validity, types of validity, factors affecting validity, conclusion. Introduction. Educational evaluation is important concept in education. In education process, teaching is always proceeded with observing how students are progressed. It will be observed based on a evaluation. In this concern, it is always said that teaching and testing go together, or teaching and evaluation go together. So, the each and every evaluation tool should assess the content in a very specific way, as well as we need to have some objective. Based on the objective, we need to assess. In this background, there is a need of identifying some of the important concepts which are essential for educational evaluation. There are three important concepts are observed. One is measurement, second one is assessment, and the final one is evaluation. Measurement is nothing but assigning a number, either quantitative factor. It is assigning a number to present how much of particular quality a student has demonstrated. Whereas assessment is a process of gathering information about student learning and performance. And the last concept is evaluation. It is a process of interpreting the information and making a judgment about what has been learned. Totally, it is observed that measurement is a qualitative factor, assessment and evaluations are the qualitative factor. Particularly in evaluation, we are going to making a judgment related to achievement of a student. In this concern, when we are going to preparing any evaluation tool, they have to fulfill some of the important qualities. They are called as qualities of a good assessment tool. They are validity, reliability, objectivity, and the fourth one is utility. In this session, we are going to learn in detail about the first concept by name validity. What is the meaning of validity? The term validity refers to whether or not a test measure what it intended to measure. It means we are going to preparing a few testing item or evaluation tool in order to test a specific content. If it is going to assess the particular content, it is said that the content is having a validity. For example, we are going to preparing an intelligence test. If it is going to test the intelligence of a student, we say that the testing item, either evaluation tool, is valid. If it is not going to assess the IQ of a student, we say that the tool is invalid. In this way, definitely the validity is going to identified in terms of how far a specific evaluation tool is going to intend to assess the specific content. There are two more definitions which are going to give clear information about the validity. The second one is the validity refers to accuracy of an assessment, whether or not it measures what it is supposed to measure. The last definition is the validity of an assessment tool is extent to which it measures what it was designed to measure without contaminating from other character. From this discussion, it is very clear that the each and every evaluation tool, its first and also foremost duty is to assess what purpose the tool is designed. If it is going to be prepared for assessing the achievement of a student, definitely the tool should assess the achievement and also its related concept like knowledge, understanding, application, and also a skill. If it is fulfilled, definitely we says that the tool is having a validity. Now let us see what are the different types of validity. There are three forms of validity are going to be observed: content validity, construct validity, and criterion related validity. Content validity is related to content aspect. Construct validity related to the question, either item, either the number of information which we are going to cover in any test. Really, they are going to contributing towards constructing the idea or theory which is behind designing the particular evaluation tool. And the next one is criterion related validity. It is nothing but there are certain criteria are fixed based on the tool is developed, whether all the criteria are achieved with the help of assess with the help of a specific tool. In this way, there are three important type of validities are going to be observed. Which are the factors affecting the validity? Many a time when we are going to preparing a good evaluation tool, either when we are going to administering a tool, we are going to face many challenges. They are all affecting on validity factors. There are three factors which are strongly influence on a validity. The first one is factors in the test, second one is factors in the test administration, and the third one is factor related to a test. Conclusion: from overall, it is clearly observed that when we are going to preparing a evaluation tool, the first and also foremost duty of a designer of a tool is to see whether the tool is going to really assessing what it intended to measure a specific content. If it is going to be prepared for the purpose of assessing the creativity at any cost, the tool and also the item which are incorporated in a tool, they should assess the creativity factor rather than any other factor. In this concern, it is very clear that each and every evaluation tool, it is compulsion to establish validity of the test to decide what it's supposed to test. Okay, this is related to validity and its type and also the factors affecting the validity. Thank you everyone.